Team Cloud Energy.
Coming southeast.
Yes.
I pray to God, my heart, soul, and body.
And the distinguished essays of, I think I got it right. No, MAs.
MA and essays.
MAs and essays of that thing. It's a pleasure to be home because I'm from Anambra. Although I will move on Anita by following Google market. I have said non market of more. So I ended up here late, but the weather was not so good that to the plane. So we need to be here and to introduce ourselves. And since that's working, some call me also Chico working. So the all those are my name of Cloud Energy Photo Election. So he has been very active in the business. So he knows what it takes, and we have Fago, our communication experts, and our project manager, Namdi Nosunda. So it's a pleasure to be in your midst. We have thought that it is just that simple to do business with you. And we just say, okay, if you're interested, come and do business until I was someone like First Lady. So that's what I prefer to go. And the first thing, we should be first lady of Best King in Anambra.
The first female essay of Nigeria.
Oh, yeah. So first lady, I am right.
Yeah, you're right.
Of Best King in Nigeria. Yeah. So it shows her commitment and dedication to the business. And I believe that ongoing. So I studied in UNN. Graduated, have been in business all my long part of my life. From childhood, I was helping my mother go to the markets. So how do we back up wireless equipment to be able to provide cybersecurity services at that time? So that journey of backing up power from cyber cafe led me to start importing battery, inverters, to support that cyber cafe business, and then the wireless nodes we are doing them. That activity led to the trademark for Cloud Energy. From being a trademark, it became a company in 2015 when cyber cafe like. So that's what do I do? The power thing I'm doing, I think I can do it too. I started selling more power equipment when people were not coming to cyber cafe to browse with me. So from selling these accessories, we built up this company called Cloud Energy. Cloud Energy basically covers the end-to-end for renewable energy business. The end-to-end from simple backup system to energy efficient appliances to building big plants. At least we have like 12 built around different parts of Nigeria. Big plants. This is solar to power plants. And somewhere in 2022, there was a challenge organized by Sustainable Energy for All. Out of 30 companies that applied, Cloud Energy was one of the 10 to scale the challenge. So, we are not thinking of what to do, we know what we are doing. So, the challenge of your business dates back to 1999 when computer systems need to be backed up. So we have found the solution to back up computer systems. And to date, if we haven't done backup systems or solar backup system for 13 shops, we have done over 40 in different parts of Nigeria. Why are we running this scheme or this exercise? We are running this scheme or this exercise to make sure that for any business that is interested in solving this energy challenge, Cloud Energy is there to embed itself with the business and solve this energy challenge. Hence, We have this model, energy as a service. We have another model, lease to own. We have the model of bank finance, the lease to own.
I pray to God, my heart, soul, and